The FTC orders Harley Davidson to follow right to repair laws. Let's talk about that. Let's get cracking. Good moto morning. Welcome to Kraken's Garage. I'm your host, Eric, and on Kraken's Garage, we discuss all good things on 2 and 3 wheels. Today's episode brings me much joy. The FTC, or Federal Trade Commission, orders Harley Davidson to follow right to repair laws. And we're going to talk about what that means and how this went down and how it affects the customers moving forward and how it affects the customers in the past. Let's talk about that. Let's get to it. It gives me great joy to bring this video to everybody on my channel, as this follows on the heels of a recent video where I went over in detail the warranty on my Harley Davidson Icon Revival and the way Harley Davidson postures about voiding everything on your warranty. If you even touch the bike, unless you install Harley parts by a Harley tech, you will void your warranty. So in this case, the Federal Trade Commission orders Harley Davidson to follow the right to repair laws. It gets better for customers though. Not only the FTC requiring Harley Davidson to fix their warranty language, it is also very crucially requires Harley Davidson to come clean to customers about these changes. In other words, the companies can't just quietly change the language and then not tell anybody about it, relying on the customers just happen upon the knowledge at some random point in the future. Instead, the Federal Trade Commission says Harley Davidson must proactively reach out to customers to notify them of these changes and their right to repair their own possessions under the law. Furthermore, customers can and should do so as they see fit, using these parts they deem appropriate, which may or may not have the company's brand name on them. Yes. Now, obviously, Harley Davidson isn't the only company for which right to repair issues have been a major focus of ire among customers. Large and extremely public legal back and forth have been going on for some time with both Apple and John Deere, for example. One of my viewers sent me an email that worked for John Deere for 28 and a half years. And actually, John Deere is worse than Harley Davidson, in my opinion, regarding how they posture about their warranties and working on their heavy-duty equipment. So that's why this discussion is an important step and a positive one for regular people who buy things and then have the crazy idea that they can do what they want with them because they now own them. In a statement, FTC Chair Lena M. Khan said, illegal repair restrictions can significantly raise the cost for customers, stifle innovation, close off business opportunity for independent repair shops, create unnecessary electronic waste, delay timely repairs, and undermine resiliency, harms that can have an outsized impact on low-income communities in particular. It is crucial that the unlawful repair restrictions continue to be a key area of focus for the Commission and that we continue to use all our tools and authorities to root out these illegal practices, unquote. Well done, Lena. Of course, unsurprisingly, aftermarket part makers are also pleased with this news. This action taken by the FTC is a huge win for motorcycle riders, quote unquote, from Vance & Hines President CEO Mike Kennedy said in a statement. While we still need to see how this plays out, we anticipate that riders will have more choices in how they repair and update their motorcycles during the warranty period, which is clearly a big deal for companies in the motorcycle aftermarket too. I hope that it will void your warranty threat from someone who just wants a better sounding, smoother running Harley is a thing of the past, he concluded. So what are Kraken's views on this? Harley is brilliant in their marketing and how they posture and how they serve it up to the public. This is my opinion and no one else's on this planet, that Harley did this by design, knowing they're going to get slapped on the hand. Look at it this way. How many years did they get away turning customers away saying, we're voiding your warranty, you put pipes on, you put an air cleaner on, you put cams on, and it now voids your warranty, have a nice day. For a bearing that went out on a main rod or something like that, which was clearly a factory issue. Millions and millions of dollars slid through the cracks on all these people that got turned away over this period of time, and here it is, it's time to pay the piper. So Harley is now forced to own up to it and move forward. That doesn't negate the fact of those millions of dollars they got away with on not paying on warranty claims. So moving forward, hopefully that straightens it out. But it was a calculated risk, and I promise you, Harley Davidson did it by design. They never leave a buck on the table. I have said that many times on my channel, at the expense of the consumer and pushing back on the warranties with this monopolizing idealism of handling any service or parts on your motorcycle. It is my opinion that if you have a pushback on a warranty repair, that it seems like it's a night and day, you have to hire an attorney and go after the MoCo on it in the past. Take them to small claims court, whatever it takes to get from point A to point B, to try and get them to honor your warranty. So I hope moving forward that this serves up a hard notice. Now, it should be noted, moving forward, it is proposed that Harley Davidson, for any infractions under this through the FTC with your Right to Repair Act, that they will be fined $46,000 and some change per incident. Just think about those fines in the past 10 years of how Harley has slapped around the customer base regarding warranty claims. That would be a chunk of change, so I'm just saying. So it's time to pay the devil his due. And there's my Ghost Dog Bourbon. He's here to remind me to wrap things up. If you would like to become a Patreon, the link is listed right down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more in the future, hit that subscribe button right down there in the corner. And remember, folks, go riding. It's good for you. And I'll see you in the next one.